Bhakti Saint and AMP, their time period Adi Shankaracharya, 788 to 820 AD. Ramanujacharya, 1017 to 1137 AD. Basveshwar, 12th century. Madhvacharya, 1238 to 1319 AD. Swami Ramanand, 15th century. Sant Kabir, 1440 to 1510 AD. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, 1468 to 1533 AD. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, 1469 to 1538 AD. Purandar Das, 15th century. Dadu Dayal, 1544 to 1603 AD. Surdas, 1483 to 1563 AD. Vallabhacharya Mahaprabhu, 1479 to 1531 AD. Shankardev, 1499 to 1569 AD. Mirabai, 1498 to 1563 AD. Swami Haridas, 1478 to 1573 AD. Goswami Tulsidas, 1532 to 1623 AD. Sant Namdev, 1270 to 1309 AD. Sant Gyaneshwar, 1275 to 1296 AD. Sant Eknath, 1533 to 1599 AD. Sant Tukaram, 1608 to 1650 AD.